This is grade 6, exercise 2A, strutting along. Here's middle C, so you're on a high C with your thumb and there's an E flat black note in the middle. These are the right hand chords. Then you change to 5 and 2 and your thumb goes down onto B flat. Thumb to A flat. Then we go back to that first chord, then the second, 3 on E flat, hop, that's a C and a G flat, and then you slightly twist it to F and B. Then you go up to high G. Gonna play that without talking this time.